Firstly, I would like to thank God for the gift of life and for letting us through this journey of new beginnings and milestones in our lives. Secondly, to the educators of this institution, thank you for enhancing a high order of learning skills that allowed us to acquire academic as well as communicative competence. Thirdly, to my mom and dad, who have been my pillars of strength and source of inspiration, thank you for
Halimutan.
covering us with the greatest gift of all. Your unwavering support has helped me and my sisters to be the best that we can be at all times. Lastly, to my fellow graduates, as we raise our banners high and wave our hands to say goodbye, let us all remember that this is just one of the many endeavors that we are going to go through in life. With heartfelt gratitude, let us all thank Salinas Evangelical School for serving as our second home in the past 9 years. Kudos everyone. Thank you.